Welcome back to the workshop series, the Dave's Diary series, and what the heck have I got here? Well, it's called a power pole, and the question I pose is, what do I do with it? It is an untreated pole, so it has a lot of potential, and I wish that potential someone would tell me what it is. But it's either going to be firewood, or can we make use of it for something else? Apparently it's quite a nice wood, hardwood. It's quite old, that pole. I don't know when it was first put in, but it was just on the side of my property, corner of my property, well, actually next door's property, which was supplying 4 houses with power. It has been replaced with a brand new one. But they asked me, do I want this? And I thought, why not? I was kind of nice to them while they were doing the power changeover. So that was quite good. And they rewarded me by giving me this massively heavy power pole. Being hardwood by its name and its function, well, it's the reality of it, really hard. Now I've got to cut the darn stuff up. So I probably will go and get a new chain for my wee chainsaw and set to it. The thought I had was if I cut it into reasonable sized sections, I could give it a bit of a tickle up with the planer and give it a bit of a sand, bit of an oil, and see what colour it's like, and use it as a leg for a table. Now I like the kind of like the asymmetric type of structures, and as such I could have a waterfall end on the unit, on the wee table, just to be a side table, and then one of these as the leg on the other end, being the asymmetry. Is that a good idea? Because I can tell you what, even a small section is going to be flaming heavy. So yeah, don't know whether a good idea is in fact a good idea or not, or just something I'm desperate to come up with an idea to make use of. So yeah, I have to think about that. But it's too good an opportunity to have something like this just to throw it away or chop it up for firewood. It did say it burns well, but anyway, we will see. I don't know how long it is. Hang on, I'll just give you a bit of a rough builder's estimate. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's probably at least 8 metres long. So whatever that is, 24 foot, and also 24, 25 foot. Now, won't fit in the garage one piece. Can't even lift it, so that is out of the options. But yeah, cutting it down into maybe 1 metre lengths or 800 mil lengths might be the go. So I won't be today. As I said, I'll have to get a new chain for the chainsaw, and might have it go then. And I'll probably film that, because it could be entertaining for someone. But yeah, I'll probably set you on a tripod or something so you can see the trials and tribulations of me trying to hack through that with my small chainsaw. It's not that small, but it's an electric chainsaw because I've killed my petrol one. And yeah, new chain, probably needed. Anyway, and I've still got all this to cut down, which I was talking about in the previous video, and that probably has got a little bit more priority than does the power pole. But yeah, just an opportunity to make use of it and well, see what I come up with. Or firewood. Rightio, that was it. That was just a wee short one, wasn't it? So yeah, just a wee thing that I thought I'd add in before it does get chopped up, and then I can't make the video of it when it was in one piece. Rightio, that's it. See you in the next one now. Bye.